Micronesia, country in the North Pacific composed of more than 600 islands and islets in the Caroline Islands archipelago, and is divided roughly along cultural and linguistic lines into the states of, from west to east, Yap, Chuuk, Pohnpei, and Kosrae. About half the total population lives in Chuuk State. Pohnpei has about one-third of the population, and Yap and Kosrae have about one-tenth each.
In the Federated States of Micronesia, PacWastePlus investments focus on managing organic materials in Yap and Chuuk states. In Yap, the project enhanced the compost station with new standard operating procedures, officer training, and infrastructure upgrades such as an access road and a communal organic composting program. In Chuuk, an organic processing program was implemented on Warner Island, featuring a newly constructed compost station for organic waste collection and processing. This project sought to identify sustainable reuse options for organic waste, establish suitable processing systems, and maximize the utilization of processed products like compost and animal feed.
In Yap, the journey towards sustainable waste management took a major step forward through the efforts of the Yap Environmental Protection Agency. With support from the GEF Ridge to Reef project, a compost station was constructed at the Division of Agriculture. This facility played a key role in processing organic materials generated from the division's daily operations. Recognizing the growing need to reduce pressure on the state landfill and preserve critical airspace, the Yap EPA partnered with the PacWastePlus program to strengthen the facility's operational capacity. Through targeted investment and technical support, PacWastePlus helped upgrade the compost station, enhancing its ability to divert organic waste from the landfill and turning it into valuable compost for agricultural use. This initiative not only supports environmental sustainability, but also promotes resource recovery and resilience for the people of Yap. Key stakeholders in the state of Yap were consulted to finalize the project activities to ensure sustainability of the project. This was achieved through several key initiatives. First, the introduction of standard operating procedures ensured that the composting activities followed consistent, efficient, and environmentally sound practices. Next, local officers were trained on the operation of the facility, from starting a compost pile to conducting daily checks and managing compost quality. Finally, the construction of a new access road improved site accessibility, making it easier to transport organic materials and manage operations more effectively. Through these improvements, the PacWastePlus project is helping to reduce landfill waste, support local agriculture, and build stronger, more sustainable communities. In June 2024, a ban was put in place on the landfilling of organic materials at the Yap public landfill. Local communities and businesses were advised that these materials are to be taken to the state compost facility. As part of its commitment to sustainable waste solutions, the PacWastePlus project also trialed a communal composting program in the villages of Rumu and Tenfar. These communities, already active in operating local nurseries, now have the tools and facilities to process their own organic waste, turning everyday green waste into nutrient-rich compost. The project constructed communal compost facilities in the two villages, facilitated trainings on organic processing, and its benefits to local community members while reducing dependence on chemical fertilizers. This trial not only supports cleaner villages and stronger food systems, but also empowers communities to take charge of their own waste management, building local resilience and sustainability from the ground up. From waste to resource, the villages of Rumu and Tenfar are showing how small actions can lead to big environmental impacts. In the state of Chuuk, the Chuuk Environment Protection Agency is making strides towards sustainable waste management, thanks to targeted interventions under the PacWastePlus program. One of the key interventions was the provision of a high-capacity shredder. This equipment allows Chuuk EPA to process organic waste more efficiently, reducing volume and speeding up composting. To support this process, PacWastePlus also funded the construction of a dedicated compost facility. This central hub enables systematic composting of organic materials collected from the community and government operations. In addition to infrastructure, the project focused on capacity building, delivering training for EPA staff, and engaging with local communities through consultations. These sessions helped raise awareness on the importance of composting and guided residents on how to separate and manage organic waste at the source. With better tools, infrastructure, and knowledge, Chuuk is taking concrete steps towards a cleaner, greener future, turning waste into a valuable resource and building stronger community resilience. Additional support by PacWastePlus. PacWastePlus has developed a comprehensive national solid and hazardous waste strategy, consolidating initiatives across all states to ensure coordinated planning, implementation, and more effective leverage of future donor funding opportunities. An asbestos import ban guiding note was also presented to the Federated State of Micronesia to guide future work of banning the importation of asbestos-containing material to the country. Additional support was provided to the Yap state in the finalization of the state healthcare waste management policy.